Online learning, free courses.
Okay, in this video we are going to be talking about some insider seller secrets to how you can get more sales on Fiverr and of course as well as getting more visibility and more traffic to your gigs on Fiverr. So we are here in the forum, Fiverr forum, and I just wanted you to see, like, just a minute ago, 2 minutes ago, there was some posts here like, oh, for high quality links, contact us now. Hey there, do you need high quality SEO links? So you can post things in the forum section to get more traffic to your gigs. And the other thing along with the forum is if you're going to be posting things here, I also recommend that you stay active on some kind of social media, either Google Plus or Facebook or maybe even LinkedIn or Twitter, whatever you are more naturally gravitated towards. And then that will help you when you social share that, because you're naturally engaged on social media. Hopefully you have a good amount of followers who will be able to see your messages and your posts. So that way, that's just more traffic and more eyes that are getting to see, oh my goodness, that's a great gig offering. I'm going to go check that out. And they're going to click on your link and they're going to check out your gig. And then, of course, that hand in hand with staying active. If you're planning on posting to the forum, stay active in the forum and, answer questions for other people and things like that. So that way you're not just taking, you're also giving something back as well. And yeah, so the forum can be really valuable for answering certain questions that you may have, connecting with people that are within your industry. Maybe they offer slightly different services and things like that. But definitely, I recommend sort of this follow-up. Stay active on social media, and every once in a while, post something about your gig or working on Fiverr in some way, and then post a link to your account or to your specific gig. And then, of course, social share when that's appropriate, after someone has left you a good review and things of that nature. Outside of that, you can also, oh yes, that was the final thing. I apologize for the mind blank there. The third thing was you can do a third-party site like Blogger or WordPress, and you can create almost like a side platform to offer your gigs from. And what I kind of mean by that is, like, you can show a little bit about your gig and like what the service would be, but then you get your little Fiverr badge. Let me see if I can find it here. They have a little badge that you can use. Is it in here? Promote yourself. And you can, you can create a badge so that you can put this on your website or a third-party site, and that way they can go directly to Fiverr and they can check out those gigs. So that really helps. Like, if you already have some kind of a WordPress blog, or not even WordPress, just a blog or a side site, maybe it's a blogger site that you use or that you have, put that on there, and then people can check out your gigs from that place, and that's another traffic source where people are able to check out your gigs and buy from you. So with that being said, those are my insider seller secrets to getting more gigs and more sales on Fiverr.